Bobby Lou.
The urgent quest you're
Oh,
talking
you have
about.
that?
Yes.
That's what
Yes.
you have in your PC too?
Yeah, that's what I have in my what's it called? My
Can
streaming
you get
computer.
that peanut?
Oh wow, we have the same one.
Yeah.
Make sure.
So,
That
what
peanut
did it
will help
say?
with the
Al?
drops. Get the half peanut for the drops.
Half peanut. What's that?
It's the top left, the daily one.
Oh,
You think the last character is going to be for another Capcom fighter, maybe even Darkstalkers? I think it's going to be Kyo from King of Fighters. Sticking to it. And it'll lead to a bright, beautiful future. Full of endless possibility.
Where's the deodorant?
Or it's Wolverine, yeah.
I don't know what's the current bet for Kyo.
Back to work.
We'll probably see it at E3. Yeah, we possibly will. You know what? Yeah, we actually might. Now that I think about it, it's still a couple months away. That'd be when the next character's shown off. Yeah, there's a pretty good chance
A few more seconds.
that the when we see the final Street Fighter character might be E3.
Yeah.
E3 is Jude. Mid Jude.
Where's my other?
I'm gonna say I'm one of the ones who really wanted that whole Power Ranger is the last Street Fighter character.
Yeah, I thought that really seemed like it was going to be true, but as soon as you think about it for a second, you're like, actually, no.
Yeah, the rights are all wacky.
Ready when you are, Simmons?
Let me get some shit in my belly.
I'm gonna get that milkshake that comes with a churro.
There is no E3?
Wait, what?
Yeah, there is. It's a
What
digital
milkshake?
E3.
Churro.
They put a churro in it.
That'll do.
From where?
Del Taco.
Oh,
Wait, what's a Del Taco?
They have like a shake and they put a churro in it.
Yeah, it's like a vanilla shake with like chocolate syrup, and then they stick a churro in it.
Wow.
Awesome.
Intense.
Mm-hmm.
sounds good.
Mm-hmm.
It's very small.
But it's not the size of the shake. It's what's in it.
Yeah,
How you use it?
it's $1.
It's $1?
Yeah,
What?
That can't be high quality food.
It is high quality.
it's very small, and it's not a full churro. It's
It's like one of those half churros.
like a third or a fourth of a churro.
Place of
Likely to sing Virtua Fighter at E3? That'd be great.
My king. Oh my.
Actually, the 22nd, what is it? In like a few days, the PSO2 new Genesis stream is going to be, and they were talking about that they would probably say when the game's coming out,
Let us lay this
considering that we're going to be about to be starting the second beta.
Yeah, God dang it.
Part the skies. Rend the
Controller,
clouds asunder.
please.
Paint
You guys are like 5 pieces without me. There we go.
with hurricane and thunder.
All right, let me skip this. My king! Oh, my king! Oh boy. That's what the chat wants that girl to call them, right? And controller, come on.
This place looks a lot like the third area. Third area in World
Yeah.
Coral
No.
Forest.
Oh, I forget what it's called now. The Coral Highlands, right?
Holy shit, I almost died.
Sonic Spring.
Well, this is going poorly. Very poorly. Jesus Christ. Well, did I not grab the bird buff? Motherfucker. No bird buff.
Yeah, grab a Farcaster.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh fuck!
Stop hitting
I
me.
didn't even see it.
Oh yeah, we played Outbreak 2 twice. Ah! Holy shit, you fucko.
God.
Oh, that works.
Whoa, what happened?
I think the real fight is we have to kill its sack. Its egg sack or whatever. Oh shit. Hold on.
What the hell? Yeah, aerial bomb. Can you imagine if they made another Monster Hunter in the Marvel vs. Capcom and it uses like the wire bug
Oh my god.
for like mobility and combos and stuff?
Yeah, like Spencer shit and stuff.
Yeah, a little bit like Spencer. That'd be sick.
Bro, part's broken already. Holy shit.
Yeah, bonk that motherfucker.
Oh!
Holy
Damn.
shit! I'm fucking dead.
I'm gonna bonk you right in your ball sack.
Damn! I just picked up the Thunder Serpent orb
Really? On the
Yeah.
ground?
from the ground.
Picked it off the ground.
I saw
nuke.
it first.
The nuke! No, I saw the nuke first.
It's gonna hit me.
Elder Dragon Blood.
Oh, that's a good one. I think you need that for the attack tools or something else.
Yeah, right in your ball sack. Whoa!
Wait, did we set off a nuke or did he?
I set off the nuke.
Oh, we got the nuke.
You get one in this.
And we get a Dragonator, it looks like.
My king, I'm sorry.
Sweet Jesus.
So is this like the dragon, or those two twin girls like father or something?
Yeah.
This one's the girl one, and the blue one's the guy.
Holy
Their mom.
shit!
This is why it has like a pregnant egg sac.
Gonna give birth to more of those hot twins?
Jesus, Kenny.
What? Bro. Don't get mad at me, but look how hot they are. I mean, that would be a shitty mother-in-law, but, you know.
No!
Come meet my mother-in-law. Holy shit. I need her horn. With some cool armor. Ah,
I don't like there's like weak points on it that we can target to drop it. It's like glowy purple areas.
Fuck!
Oh shit. Oh, it's gonna do the thing.
what, chat? You know I'm right.
Someone's gotta.
You squirrely asshole.
Someone's gotta carry on that shrine maiden line. It's up to you, Kenny.